Hello everyone, it is Susan, and today I want to share some happy mail that I got from the Happy Planner, and it's called Bloom Baby Bloom. They call it a Be Happy box, and it literally comes in a box, and you can see what the theme of it is because it's all gardening stuff. And yeah, so I wanted to open it with all of you because I've never ordered one of these before. So I'm excited to look through this with all of you. So let's go ahead. Look at this. I mean, I'm loving this tissue paper. Can I just say that? Loving it. You know I'm keeping it, right? That'll go in my mixed media stash that I don't even do anymore. But I have all my stuff because one of these days. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. All right, so look at all this stuff. Let me kind of move the box over. And let me see if I can take this stuff out so I don't have the box in the way. And let me get rid of that. All right. So now let's see what we have here. We have, I'm just going to put this to the side and bring stuff over one by one. Plants are friends and Bloom Baby Bloom. So these, are they stickers or no, they are die cuts. So we have these. So cute to put in a planner, right? It does come with washi. So, you know, it's funny because I was not going to get this. When I saw, you know, people doing reviews of it before it was released, well, you know, I just wasn't going to do it because, well, I don't need it. But once I saw Heather from Kell of a Plan do a flip through of everything, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to. You know what? Let me turn on my light. Sorry. Let me turn on my light. I mean, it is sunny. It is 8:45 in the morning on Saturday, May 15th. But it's still a little dark. All right, so super cute washi. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Nice, beautiful. This top one says Plant Lady. That is like super funny. Plants are friends. So anyway, there's a couple florals in there. Super nice, super nice. I like it. I'll definitely use them. It comes with this marbleized, the discs. These are apparently something newer. I guess it's the marble part of it that's newer. This is in there. What is this? Oh, okay. So this kind of shows everything that comes in the kit. All right. So now let's see. All right. Oh, wait a minute. There's a little doohickey here. We got little stickies, little sticky notes, watering can, and a plant. But the reason why I got this was because I am planting flowers this year, and in planter boxes that are on my railing on my deck. And so I'm not a planter. In fact, they don't even have them yet. I'm going to go tomorrow and get them. But since I'm retiring next year, you've probably heard me say this before, you know, since I'm retiring next year, I'm trying to find like new hobbies to keep me busy. One of them being cooking, because I don't cook, but I'm learning. And then the other is I want to get more involved in just flowers, I think. I don't know that I'll, you know, do more than flowers, but like vegetables and stuff like that, but you never know. Okay, so this is the sticker book. I'm not going to go through page by page, but I will do a flip through. You know, these little icons, I find it so hard to use them. I really do, and I don't know why. Look at that. There's 4 pages so far. Oh, look at the beautiful colors. Right, so it's all the different size boxes. Oh, super pretty. Super pretty. Gardening journal. Like, I can definitely see myself using that. Like, I don't even really know. Like, these I'll definitely use because I think that they are adorable. And look at that. Oh my gosh. To decorate the pages of the planner, these are just so perfect and beautiful, and I love the colorway of this. It's not super like summery, but I'm gonna say it's awesome for, you know, green for plants, like the brownish clay color for dirt. Just super pretty. Oh, look at this. So I can track the kind of flowers that I get. I know you can hear my parrot. He's going wacko right now. A little dirt never hurt. Super cute, right? Just super cute. I mean, I love these stickers, and I think that that's really probably the reason I did end up getting it, was because of those stickers. And I really don't know how I'm going to be using this planner. I really don't. So we'll figure it out together. But here are the pages, and look at the beautiful spine of it. It's gorgeous. All the things, use it out. Oh, list it out, top priorities, today's goal, and then the back is the dotted grid. Oh, wow. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. So here is the planner itself. Now the planner has pages in it. I mean, there's a lot in this kit. The kit, it's $50, 50. But I guess it was like a 15% off coupon, something like that. So I got it for 30 something, I think it was. I don't even know. And that certainly helped me make my decision as well as to get this or not. So here's the front: plant dreams and grow a happy life. That's cute. The sun is starting to come in, sorry. So this is well, it has to be an undated planner, right? Because here are the months that you put on the tabs. So you can start this whenever you need to. Look at how pretty that cover page is. So they have the monthly spread. Wow, this is super cool. Super cool. It'd be better if I got it in frame. Sorry about that. So this is super cool. Sorry about my parrot. So the projects, notes, plant type, take care about the plants Monday through Saturday, pest control this month. Oh, and then look at this. And then it is the vertical weekly, and watering, sunlight, fertilizer. Oh my gosh. So between these pages, and if I needed to add any of these in, wow, huh? I mean, I can do some major tracking of my plants, and I'm going to, because what will happen is that next year, so like I want to document everything, like what worked, what didn't work, what I liked, what I didn't like, so that come next May of 2022, when I am retired, I'll have a better feel for what plants I want to get, like what works for me, what doesn't, like, because it's going to go in the front of my house for this year, and then next year I'll probably get more planters for my back deck. And of course the sun is different in the back of the house compared to the front of the house, so it's going to be different kinds of plants. I don't know. You know what? My mother, she was a planter, a gardener. So like she's super excited for me to do this. You know, let me just show you these pages real quick for each month. Look at how beautiful. I really do love the colors. They are quite lovely, quite lovely. And the sun's coming in, so you see streaks on here. Those streaks are not on the pages. That's sun. Oh, you know what? It's reflecting off of a bag I have over there. There, that's better. Super cute. Super duper 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 cute. Right? Isn't this really nice? So I don't know that, like, I can almost see using this year after year after year and not even do it as months, right? So I think I can probably have like a whole year under one tab. I really do, but I'll have to see. I'll have to see how it goes. But anyway, so I'm excited to get this. There is one more thing that came in the box, and that is this bag, a canvas bag. Bought any plants lately? Bought any plants lately? Botany plants lately? That's super cool. That's super cool. So that's a nice canvas bag. I mean, it would certainly fit, you know, everything planner related in here. And I'm happy I got this, and I am going to document, because I would have to document somehow, somewhere, some way, so that I know what I'm doing, like I said, for next year. So I hope I didn't ramble too much or anything, but I am excited for this. You know, I am on a crafty spending budget, so I pick and choose very carefully what I want to spend my crafty budget on. And this was it. So I'm very appreciative to have this, you know. So let me know if you have any questions. I don't know if there's any more available. I can definitely look and put the link below. And you can check it out if you're interested. And I'll take you on this journey with me. I mean, I don't know. I'll pop in from time to time and give you an update on how I'm using this planner. So thank you so much for being here. Let me know if you have any questions. And you know, I would love to know, how do you keep track of your planting? Even if it's for vegetables or whatever, how do you keep track? Like, what should I know nothing. I know nothing about planting. So what do I need to be aware of? I have no idea. So anyway, let me know what you do as far as documenting your planting. Okay? All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a blessed week. Bye-bye.